How to share location on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Google Maps to the latest version. Then open up Google Maps on a device. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on location sharing. Now tap on share location. Now give the permissions. Now select the sharing duration. Now select the contact you want to share to. Now tap on share. Now give the permissions. Again tap on turn on. Now select your contact and tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.